today. But we have Naveen Mathur of Angel Commodities with us now to take us through his strategies. Naveen, hi, good to see you in this afternoon. First, your call on gold.
Thank you very much, Ekta. I think the markets are looking a little favorable for the intraday, and technically we therefore would look forward to a buying position to be built in for gold April contract on the MCX. The position can be initiated at around 29,580 levels or so. Put the stop loss at around 29,450 and targets in a range of around 29,800 to 850 or 900 levels.
Naveen, hi, morning. What about crude?
Anuj, morning. The crude is also looking slightly positive today. Means we can see the prices of the March contract on the MCX, which are trading at around the prices are hovering around 2,200 levels or so. I think the upper side on the 2,250 levels can be a buying position. 2,260, 2,205 would be the target, and the stop loss in the target would be in a range of around 2,340 to 2,350 level. It's currently hovering at around 2270 to 80 levels.
Okay. Naveen, once we'll just get back to your commodity strategies, but I wanted to ask you if you have a strategy on the rupee intraday. It's recovered from that low of around 68.74, but it's extremely tentative, very close to its all-time lows now.
Yeah, that's right, Ekta. I think the markets are looking forward to the budget which is going to happen on Monday. I think that would be a little critical aspect to look forward to. We had the rail budget which didn't give too much of a boost to the markets. But overall, I think the Indian market pack is looking better. We are at 68.76 right now against the dollar. It's hovering at the all-time lows of around 68.85, which is touched in August 2013. I think the markets would be quite volatile. We can see levels of around 69.5 in this volatility, but I don't expect too much of a depreciation coming out of the markets because of the positive sentiment, the positive environment in India. I think among the emerging markets, as I said, India is a favorable country, and overall therefore looks like to be that 69.50 would be something where the markets can go in a volatile times towards the weakness, but otherwise I think 67.5 to 68 where the market should consolidate over a period of time.
Okay, so that's on the dollar rupee. Some news on Ashoka Buildcon. It's been a relatively resilient stock. I use the word relatively because if you compare it with the mid-cap index, this stock has fallen much less. So that's Ashoka Buildcon, stock up about 1%. But Naveen, let's talk about some more commodities. How would you trade copper?
Copper would be a buy position today. We would buy at around 315, 316 levels. Anuj, the markets are at around 317. The stop loss for this trade would be at around 311, and the targets at the upside on 321. Largely dependent upon China. The central bank governor, they have said that the markets, the sentiments are positive. The overall economy is better. So I think with that particular positive build-up of sentiments, the markets may look forward to on the upside. Hence an intraday strategy to buy on the MCX.
Okay, fair enough, Naveen. We'll leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in. So it's not just Ashoka Buildcon which has won a new order. It's also Suzlon which has won a new order.